Hi, I'm Terry, and this is Ask Mr. Locksmith. Movies versus real life. Gee whiz, it's Hollywood. It's make-believe. When I see them hot-wiring a modern, expensive Lamborghini or Porsche, you can't do that. You can't just hot-wire it and drive it away. There's a zillion reasons why you can't do it. You got to defeat the computer, got to defeat the lock steering, got to defeat everything. So Hollywood, I should do some clips on future videos, but Hollywood versus real life, real locksmithing. Also, we could say YouTube versus reality of being a locksmith. You know, there's some really good picking or defeat methods, biped methods on YouTube, but there's a lot of total crap. So movie versus reality, YouTube versus reality. Hey, it's make believe. I shoot down some of these. They call me out. They try to call me out, and I said, "Fine, I got the locks. You come pick them open in seconds." Okay? Said, "I'll meet you at a Locksmith Convention, or Defcom, or something like that." You think you got something? I'll say if it's real. I'm the first to admit I see some really good stuff on YouTube, but most of it is fake or heavily played with. And if you see, I have a little story on Houdini. I'll see if I put on the list what Houdini did with these people with handcuffs. You know, the rules he had with handcuffs, locks, and safes. And safes, again, I've seen some guys open safes in seconds. Not going to happen. Unless it's an inexpensive electronic safe, and you've seen my videos, and I've done those on TV with the news people. I've defeated them. They've showed up with the lock, with the safes. I've defeated them. It depends, and again, it depends upon the make and the model. So, kind of answer your question, just remember Hollywood and YouTube is make-believe. It's like a reality show, not reality. Hope you have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Also, if you have a question you want me to answer in future videos, just put it in the comments. I read my comments, and I'll try to make a video of your questions for Ask Mr. Locksmith. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.